It is no secret that AI will turn us into their very own peons and take over everything. Or at least that's according to Fox Business. That was a good intro, wasn't it? Sam's Club says AI will handle exit checks in all stores by the end of 2024. That's really soon, 2024? New AI powered technology scans Sam's Club's customers' carts, slashing wait times at exits and freeing up humans. Freeing up humans? Is Breck Dumas not a human? Wouldn't you want to say freeing us up? Is Breck an AI? Any Sam's Club member is familiar with the lines that can form at the exits of the big box stores during busy shopping times as customers line up for an associate to check their receipts to confirm their purchase. Now, the company says those bottlenecks will be slashed at the clubs nationwide by the end of the year thanks to new AI-powered technology. You mean like what Amazon Fresh uses? Actually, I have no clue what Amazon Fresh uses. I don't know if they use AI, but when I go into an Amazon Fresh, they have all those little square cameras on the ceilings every probably like 2 feet away from each other. There's hundreds of them. And that's, I guess, how they detect, when you grab stuff. And then, so like I just scan my QR code when I go in, grab stuff, scan it when I go out, and it somehow knows that I've, what I bought. And I'm guessing that it's all the cameras, obviously. So I don't know how it's going to happen at Sam's Club. Maybe they're going to install all that too. At the Consumer Electronics Show in January, the Walmart division. By the way, this is why I don't shop at Walmart, because I do not like the lines. I don't like being in the lines. And it's like Walmart is kind of the only store I go to that has that problem where you have to sit there for like 15 minutes. Target, they got self-checkout. I always just use the self-checkout. So typically I'm in and out. Unveiled a new AI-powered scanning system positioned at store exits that capture images of carts and verifies payment for all items within a member's basket. What if it's like buried underneath something? Since then, Sam's announced this week the new tech has been rolled out at 20% of its stores and will be in each of the company's 600 locations by the close of 2024. Also, ground beef sold at Walmart recalled over E. coli concerns. The company says that in the 120 stores where the AI scanners has been deployed so far, more than half of customers have ushered through them, reducing wait times for all members by 23%. Sam's Club took a victory lap in its announcement, saying that the rapid deployment of its new AI technology, which was developed in-house, represents the largest scale implementation of member-facing AI-powered technology in the retail industry. Oh my gosh. The company also took digs at its competitors without naming them, saying, how can you take a dig at your competitors? Excuse me? Like, oh, does Walmart have self-checkout too? I don't know what it is. It's like the line is so long no matter what at Walmart, whether or not they have self-checkout. The retailer's announcement of reaching the milestone of deployed at 20% of its clubs in the first quarter comes as other retailers have struggled to deploy similar technology at scale, with some abandoning efforts, just starting initial pilots, or having no plans to enhance customer experience through checkout and store exit technologies. Well, I like Amazon's because it's like super convenient. Like you just walk in and walk out. That's it. I haven't like initialized the palm where you can scan your palm. I first of all don't know how to do that. I guess I'll try it. Do I want them to have my biometric data? Well, guess what? They probably already do. All those scanners on the ceiling, they're probably scanning every single little micron of like hair on my body as it is. So, yeah. I mean, why not my palm? The retailer said, wait, let's check. What is this? Ticker, Walmart. Change. 0.18% increase. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to buy some Walmart stock. Wait, what do we got here? 1 month. Oh, it's been like up and down this last month. What about 3 months? 3 months. At first, it went up. What is that? Like 56 to 61. I don't know what that percentage, but is. But year to date, pretty good rise. What is that? 52 to 60. So what is that, 20%? Something like that? That's really, but now it's been like stagnant for the past 3 months or 2.5 months. The retailer says its customers have long rated, not that I care about Walmart stock. I just like looking at like colorful charts. It's all about the colors for me, really. The retailer said its customers have rated long rated the potentially lengthy wait times at exits as a pain point. Yeah, obviously. And says, I don't know, I don't understand people who don't go through self checkout. They're like, oh, but I like it how it has been before, where you go and you give your stuff to the checkout person, and then they're like, how's it going? And you're like, great, good, great, good. And then they bag the stuff for you, and like it takes longer. Sometimes it doesn't take as long. It depends. If there's not a line, it could take quicker. But if there is a line, 9 times out of 10, unless you're like buying a bunch of stuff, obviously you don't want to go through self-checkout. But I guess it's, for me, I barely buy anything every time I go to the store. I buy like enough for a few days. At exits as pain points, and says this new tech not only streamlines the customer's experience, but frees up more time for Sam's associates to assist customers rather than manning the exits. Should I read the comments on Fox Business? Okay, let's read them. Holy crap, 480 comments. I'm amazed at like how many, I said this on my last video, I'm amazed at how many people actually write stuff in the comments in these articles. I use the scan and go feature to avoid the checkout. The scan and go feature. But it is frustrating getting caught in a line to get out. This would be great for me. What is the scan and go feature? Scan and go. Is that what they call self-checkout? Same here. I laugh when there's 100 people standing in 15 lines waiting to check out. Some of them with only a couple of items. I smile when I walk past them. You smile. You smile when you walk past people who are in lines. I'm tech savvy. Oh, you're in line? Oh, me too. I don't understand why they check everyone. If you wait in the long line for the cashier, you shouldn't be stopped at the door to check your card. Oh, I have been wrong this whole entire time. I forgot this was Sam's Club, which is you need your card and everything, and you pay them monthly. I totally forgot about that. So this is about the when you leave, they got to check everything to make sure you're even a member and all that. If it works, okay, I believe that. Okay, I'm gonna be real. I don't shop at Sam's Club, so I don't really understand how it works. If it works, I am all for it. But if it turns out like their efforts to employ customers as unpaid employees at the checkouts, it will be maddening. Unpaid? What? Employ customers as employ because you're checking yourself out. Personally, I don't care if it's faster. Then I'm gonna do it. Like, what do I care if I bag my own stuff? That's like, like, why do I need to pay someone to check me out? For me to give them money, and then for them to like enter it in their system and then put it in the bag, or not, maybe I put it in my own bag, and then give me the receipt. Like, why is that something that someone else needs to do? I personally prefer self-checkouts. Same, I can check out faster and I know how to fill a bag better than most. Well, what a skilled individual. I do not like it when they put one item in a bag, and the self-checkout sometimes is friendlier. Yeah, it's the same. The price of every item includes the shipping, freight, handling, stocker salaries, checkage salary. When they implement self-checkout, no prices were lowered to account for subtracting that person's salary. So you end up doing the work of the person. Yeah, okay. Fine. But it's also more convenient for you, so it's like a trade-off. You get benefits. The company gets benefits. Yeah. What the frick? Okay, I shouldn't have clicked that, I guess. Anyways, that's it. I just saw that. I'm probably going to do another video later about the influencer bubble is popping. Stupid ads on articles. So I'll probably do this later. This girl creating with Kaya, she has a lot of good information. on like being an influencer and stuff. Um, and so this video I thought was really good, so I'm gonna watch it later, or I guess react to it, I guess you could call it. But that's about it. See you in the next video.